If you're a Shopify store owner, you probably know that setting up your store is just the beginning. The real challenge is in managing your Shopify store effectively. In today's video, we're going to cover key tips for managing your store to ensure smooth operations, happy customers, and ultimately more sales. Let's get started. One of the most critical tasks in managing your Shopify store is keeping track of your inventory. Mismanaging stock levels can lead to overselling or running out of products, both of which can frustrate your customers and ultimately harm your reputation. To start, Shopify has built-in inventory management tools available. You can track stock levels, set notifications for low stock, and automatically update quantities when products are sold. You can also consider setting up pre-orders for popular products to ensure that you can meet demand even when stock levels are low. In addition to this, you can use apps like Inventory Planner, Sage, for more advanced inventory management features such as demand forecasting and purchasing insights. Keeping your inventory in check means fewer surprises and a smoother operation. Once an order comes in, fulfilling it quickly and accurately is crucial to providing a great customer experience. Shopify makes order management straightforward, but there are steps that you can take to optimize this process. So, how to manage order fulfillment? Within your Shopify dashboard, you can view all pending orders under the Orders tab. Make sure you have a clear process for fulfilling orders, whether you're handling them in-house or working with a third-party fulfillment service. Automate order fulfillment emails to notify customers when their orders are processed and shipped. Use Shopify shipping or third-party shipping apps to get discounted rates, print labels, and manage tracking numbers. Streamline fulfillment is key to keeping customers happy and ensuring repeat business. Your relationship with customers doesn't end once they've made a purchase. Providing excellent customer support is vital for maintaining loyalty and ultimately building trust. So, how can you manage customer support? Shopify integrates with apps like Zendesk to help you manage customer inquiries efficiently. In addition, you could also set up a live chat or even a chatbot feature on your website so customers can get immediate assistance. You can also ensure that your site has an easy-to-find contact us page. Consider adding a detailed FAQ section to answer some common questions that you're already getting from customers. Responsive and helpful customer service can turn first-time buyers into loyal customers. To manage your store effectively, you need to know what's working and what isn't. This is where data and analytics come into play. Shopify offers built-in analytics tools, but there are also third-party apps that can provide even deeper insights. Some of the key metrics to monitor will include, of course, your sales, customer behavior, and traffic sources. So, how can you access all of these insights? In your Shopify dashboard, go to Analytics for an overview of your sales, customer behavior, and marketing data. As for more detailed tracking, you're definitely going to want to integrate Google Analytics into your store to get granular data on user activity. Monitoring these key metrics will help you make data-driven decisions to grow your business. Your Shopify store isn't a set-it-and-forget-it project. Regular updates and improvements are essential to keeping your site fresh, functional, and engaging. So, how can you manage updates on your store? Keep your store's theme and apps updated to ensure that you're running the latest features and to take care of any security patches. Next, you'll want to regularly refresh your homepage and product pages to feature new products, promotions, or any seasonal content. Continuous improvements not only keep your site current, but also encourage customers to return to see what's new. Marketing is an ongoing effort in managing your Shopify store. To drive traffic, increase sales, you'll need a well-rounded marketing strategy that includes promotions, email marketing, social media, and anything else that may be required. How can you manage your marketing efforts? Use Shopify's built-in marketing tools or apps, such as Klaviyo for email marketing, to stay connected with your customers, send regular newsletters, promotional emails, and any product updates. Take advantage of discount codes and automatic discounts to create sales promotions for specific products or even specific collections. You can set up and track social media ads using the Facebook, Instagram integration, or Google Ads directly within Shopify also. Having a well-structured marketing plan in place will help you reach more potential customers and boost your sales. Even with a perfectly managed store, returns are inevitable. How you handle returns and refunds, though, can impact customer satisfaction. So to start, clearly outline your return and refund policy on your website to set the customer expectations. Next, use Shopify's return management system or third-party apps like AfterShip Returns and Exchanges to simplify the returns process for both you and your customers. You'll also want to make sure that refunds are processed promptly and communicate clearly with customers throughout the entire process. A smooth returns process can turn a negative experience into a positive one, leaving the door open for future purchases. Lastly, automation can save you time and help your store run more efficiently. Shopify offers a range of tools to automate everything from marketing to fulfillment. How can you automate tasks in Shopify? Use Shopify Flow to automate tasks such as inventory management, order processing, and customer segmentation. You can also automate email marketing campaigns and follow-ups to keep customers engaged without manually having to send a message each time. You can also set up automatic product recommendations based on customer behavior to help boost sales. Ultimately, automating repetitive tasks allows you to focus on growing your business rather than managing some of the day-to-day operations. So, there you have it, our top tips for managing your Shopify store effectively. From inventory management to customer support to marketing and automation, these strategies will help you run a more effective and profitable business. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with others who might benefit from these tips. And if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and best of luck managing your Shopify store.